What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it now. We are back for another daily market update. I literally just woke up. I looked at what was going on in the markets, and I literally see Bitcoin at 47,450. We have Michael Saylor buying more Bitcoin at this level off of a loan. We're going to talk about that. All eyes are on this 200-day SMA right here. As you can see, we're getting very close to surpassing that 200-day SMA right there. Obviously, we've covered in the previous videos that we're above the bull market support band now. Looks pretty good as long as we continue to see bullish news coming out. Once again, I still have the same feeling about the start of April. Possible retracement or some kind of major like FUD attack, like meaning they dump a bunch of FUD articles. At this point, I don't know what they could say to get this thing down, right? I don't know what they could say. So maybe that does not happen. If you are not following me on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter. I've been reposting some pictures from this event. Look at this. They really made me sit on Blockchain Boy's lap right here. I am sitting down right there. They made me do it 3 times. 3 times because we had to redo this damn picture. But we got G on right here. We got Joshua Jake, Blockchain Boy, Altcoin Daily, Kate, I believe her name is. Yes, Kate. And then we've got Wendy right there. Lots of nice pictures coming out from the events. And we're going to see what happens today. So, look at this 24-hour volume, by the way, 119 billion. That is big. We have ETH at 3.4K right there, 86 cents on XRP. If we go to the 24-hour, we have Waves. Waves, well, I don't know what's going on with Waves. Waves continues to be in this top gainer spot. You also have Aave, Thorchain, Terra Luna, KuCoin token. I think KuCoin token is very undervalued still. That is just my opinion, no financial advice. So zooming out, we can see some altcoins are retracing from yesterday, but we also have a few of these going up. Hopefully you guys are in some of those. So starting off with some bullish news for Bitcoin, MicroStrategy, a subsidiary of MicroStrategy, has closed a $205 million Bitcoin collateralized loan with Silvergate Bank. So they took a loan out and they're buying Bitcoin. Okay. Kind of insane. It's an FDIC insured bank. They just loaned $205 million against Bitcoin to buy more Bitcoin. Absurd. Okay. And MicroStrategy, or this is MacroStrategy, I guess. So last 24 hours in crypto, WWE is launching NFTs. Terra's Luna hits a new all-time high. MicroStrategy's buying Bitcoin. Nexo clients to earn yield on ApeCoin. Pay attention. If you guys are still holding your ApeCoin, let's actually do a checkup on the ApeCoin price right here. See how, okay, $13. I mean, I'm in at $7 to $8, so I'm still up. That could be a perfect move if you believe in the Bored Ape Yacht Club team. Go and stake your ApeCoin and earn yield on Nexo. That could be a great move. Vietnam is planning a crypto legal framework. This sentence right here, just know that like everywhere is planning crypto legal framework at all times. So that should not affect anything. One thing I do see right here is Hbar having a little bit of a run. We do like to see that. Got rejected off that 26 cents. The strong will survive. Strong will survive in Hbar. Volume is up 66% on that. Now, moving on, we have Axie Infinity, possibly the largest exploit in DeFi history right here. $625 million hacked and stolen. Insanity. So they have their Ronin network. And just a quick fact, if you look at like the highest NFT networks, Ronin is really up there. Axie Infinity's network. But as we can see here, an attacker used hacked private keys in order to forge fake withdrawals from the Ronin bridge across 2 transactions as seen on Etherscan. So they lost, the blog post pegged the losses at 173,600 Ether and 25.5 million in USDC. That's currently worth 625 mil. Back in August, a hacker made off with 611 million in an exploit of cross-chain DeFi on Poly Network. So this is insanity, dude. So we might see that Axie Infinity price sort of start to dump here. We already seeing it 6% down right there. Does Ronin have a coin? I'm not sure. Ronin, yup. Look at the effects, man. Look at that. You guys see that chart? Wow. So that's 7:34 a.m. We're at 227, and by 7:44 a.m., that's 20 minutes. It dumped all the way to 1.69. Insane. That is you got to keep your network secure right there. And speaking of the most secure network on the entire market, we have Hbar, asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance, most mathematically secure on the entire market. They have launched their DeFi fund, $155 million. We already know about this. I believe it's the same exact fund we've been covering. Hbar will be a late entrant into the DeFi race, right? If we go to DeFi Llama, if we head over to DeFi Llama, you can see, if we scroll down, they're not on this. Hbar hasn't had DeFi, if you want to say it like that, right? Where's Hbar? It's not here. Look, scroll through. They don't have a TVL rating on this, right? So, an official website reports that the chain currently accounts for 50 million in total value locked. So 50 million. So where would they be on here, right? If we go here, we see the TVL going down, down, down. They would be right behind Ontology and right by Stellar, actually. That's interesting. Because if you guys know, a fun fact about Stellar is they have not spent basically any of their marketing budget yet. Also, Songbird is right up there. That's very interesting. So Hbar will fit in right there as of now. But I think once these staking protocols go live, it's going to be absurd. There's going to be a lot of money flowing in. That hopefully will pump the Hbar price. I think it will. Like, look, it'll even be ahead of Zilliqa already. That's insane. One of the final things here is, or actually staying on the topic of the Hbar, we have Hashpack Wallet absolutely killing it. Since launching in October 2021, over 35,000 new accounts have been created with Hashpack. Absurd growth right there. They are killing it. They are the leaders, man. I'm sorry to Zact Wallet. Like, I prefer Hashpack. If Zact makes or Exact, whatever you call it, if they make a Chrome extension, then maybe. But right now, I prefer that, man. I prefer Hashpack. So the SEC, we're going to end off with this. The SEC has a new proposal to redefine the word dealer. And trust me, this is all about the words. Are you a broker? Are you an exchange? Are you a platform? Are you a dealer? It's all about the words that are being used. And this is a 200-page document, okay? And it's mainly about the electronic trading of U.S. treasuries, but many industry insiders smell a sneak attack against crypto. What is the reason for this sneak attack? Well, take a look at this, okay? A footnote buried in the 200-page text says that the proposed rule would also apply to digital assets that have been deemed securities. So any digital asset of ours that gets deemed a security, this will also affect that. And that's the only mention of crypto, and it's in a footnote I think it's at the bottom. It's buried in this 200-page document. And that's why people are expecting a sneak attack here. Obviously, I mean, there's no digital assets that have been deemed securities yet. They're trying to deem XRP one, right? So this seems like a long play, or it does actually seem like a sneak attack there, which is pretty scary. But that is all we've got for the daily market update. we're up at that 2.14 trillion, right? Make sure you're taking your profits if you have not already. Appreciate all of you for watching. I love every single one of you. Make sure you're following on Instagram and Twitter. Join the Telegram group, and goodbye.